You would have successfully created a valid and active NMC UK account by the end of this video. So if you are an overseas nurse planning to travel or on the journey of traveling to the UK to practice as a nurse or a midwife, then this video is for you. One of the major steps in this process is creating an online account with the Nursing and Midwifery Council of the UK. In this video, I will tell you all the information you need to register successfully and demonstrate the step-by-step guide to make the process very easy and seamless for you. If this is something you are looking forward to, then do well to smash the like button. At this stage of the registration, you will not be required to pay anything. So if you are worried about that, then relax. You can register the account and pay the credential evaluation fee later. If today is your first time on the channel, my name is Brighteriam Agbenyo. I talk about personal finance, personal development, entrepreneurship, nursing and migration. If any of these topics interest you, then you are on the right channel. Do well to subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss any major updates. Let's get into today's video. First things first, let's talk about the requirements or the details you need to be able to register your NMC UK account. The first thing is your email address. You will need an email address, you need your full name, your date of birth, mobile number, country of residence, postcode or your PO box number, which is optional, and your address. In order not to waste much of your time, let's go straight to the NMC website for a live demonstration. You can follow the link in the description below to access the website. The first step is to launch your browser. In this case, I am using Google Chrome. So I am going to launch my Google Chrome browser and I'll enter the website name, which is nmc.org.uk. Now when I enter nmc.org.uk, I'll hit enter to go to the website. At the NMC website, you want to go to these three lines at the top left corner. These three lines. Click on these lines. It will open up some navigations for you. Look for registration, which is here. Click on registration and look for joining the register. So this is joining the register. You click on joining the register. Then you see a set of navigations again, which says we are looking for register as a nurse or midwife. So I'll click on register as a nurse or midwife. When these navigations open for you, what you want to do next is look for trained outside the UK. This video is for overseas nurses. So click on trained outside the UK. So this is the page it will open for you. Register as a nurse or midwife if you trained outside the UK. Check you are ready to register. This is a set of questions that will ask you to be sure that you have the necessary document to register. For the purpose of this video, I am not going to go through that. I'll go straight to the down where it lines up the step-by-step process. But we are interested in complete eligibility and qualification application. So you click on show and then it opens steps for you. Here it says begin your application. So you are going to click on begin your application. Now when you click on begin your application, you scroll down again, then you see start application. Click on start application and it will bring you to the page where you could do the registration. When you click the link in the description of this video, it will bring you straight to this page, so you'll be saved of the headaches of going through what we've gone through already. Alright, so you can use the link in the description. You can read everything over here to know what they are talking about, but for the purpose of this video, I am going to click on next. Then next brings me to this page where it says begin your application. We want to make sure you are using the right route to get on our register. So please confirm one of the following. So I want to register as a nurse. If you are a nurse, you click on the first one. If you are a midwife, you click on the second one. So I'm clicking on nurse. Then it says, which field of nursing would you like to apply for? When you click the drop down arrow, it gives you options to choose. So this place, I am choosing registered nurse adult. Then it says, I have read and understood the application information, yes. And it says, I have not been issued with an NMC pin in the UK as a nurse, midwife or nursing associate. I have not. So after ticking these boxes, then you click on next. Now when you click on next, it brings you to another page where it asks you to answer some questions again. Please select the country of your nationality. So I am from Ghana, so I'm going to choose Ghana. And then please select the country you trained in. I trained in Ghana as well, so I am going to choose Ghana. Here is Ghana. Then I'll click on next. You have to make sure the details you have already entered are correct. So you are applying as an adult nurse, you come from Ghana, and then you trade in Ghana. So these details are correct. So I'll sign the declaration and then next. So this page is just confirming and reassuring you that you are using the right route. So your answers tell us that you are using the right route to get on our register. That's right. So it is sign up to register with NMC online. So you click on this to continue. Now here is where you enter your details. It will ask for your email address. You enter your email address. It will ask you to confirm your email address, so you repeat the email address. You choose your title, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your gender, your telephone number or mobile number, country of residence, that is where you are staying at the time of registry, your postcode, which is optional. You can use your PO box number over here, and it is even optional, so it's not required. Then now your address, you enter your address. After entering all your details, go over again to be sure they are correct and your name and your date of birth matches what is on your passport and your birth certificate. If any of the information you enter here does not match with your identification, your account will not be created and you'll be required to provide further proof before your account will be registered. So after going through and making sure that all the details you have entered are correct, then you tick this box which says I have understood and accepted NMC's website terms and conditions. Then you click next. Now when you click on next, NMC will send you an email requiring you to confirm the email. So what you do is to go straight to your email, for that matter Gmail. So this is my Gmail, and here it sends me an email. Dear Bright, welcome to NMC Online. You will use your account to update and maintain your registration online. Confirm we have the right email address for you by clicking on the link below. So I'm going to click this link to confirm that my email address is correct. So after confirming this email address, NMC will send you another email confirming that your account has been registered. Then you have your online account. You can log in to start your process. If you have created an NMC account before, or you have attempted creating an account before and provided your details but you weren't successful, if you do it this time round, they will send you an email telling you that you have an account already with them or you already have details with them. So if this happens to you, you have to email the NMC to ensure that the issue is resolved. They have a dedicated email address for overseas nurses. It will be inside the description below. If this video was helpful to you, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share to your friends who might need it. Thank you for tuning in today and watching the video to the end. I am the business.